Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I hope you're all doing well. So today's video is another full face video, hence why I've got no makeup on except for my brows. But this time I'm not trying out a new makeup product, I'm trying out new brushes. I have the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill, the Master Brush Collection. This has 24 brushes in and it was £160. I'm just going to use them and do a full face of them. I'm not going to lie, I have used a couple already. I got them a couple of days ago before work and I had to try them. So if you'd like to see these brushes in action, then please just keep on watching. So really cute brushes. They're kept in this glittery like box, which I will take them out eventually and I'll keep the box for like when I go travelling and that. They were just white brushes with Morphe and Jaclyn in silver. They're just really cute brushes. I've already primed my face with the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Complexion Primer. This just helps blur pores and just gives an even base. So today for primer I'm going to use the Urban Decay Weightless Ultra Definition Liquid Makeup Foundation and I'm in 2.0. To apply the foundation I'm going to use the JH03 foundation brush. I have used this one already and I already love it. So I've just put a bit on my hand and I'm just going to put it evenly around my face. Now I'm going to take the JH03 brush and I'm just going to work that in. So onto concealer, I'm just going to use the Urban Decay Weightless Complete Coverage Concealer and this is in Fair Neutral. I'm going to take the JH08 brush, which is anything creamy brush, and I have used this for concealer and it really works really well, so that's what I'm going to use today. I'm just going to blend that in. So now I'm going to use a little bit of powder under my eye, and this is the Too Faced Peach Perfect Mattifying Loose Setting Powder, and I'm going to use the JH07 brush just to get under my eye. Now I'm going to use the JH01 brush and set the rest of my face. The next brush is the JH02 brush and I haven't actually tried this brush out. This is the bronzer brush and I'm just going to take the Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow, but just take the bronze part and just bronze my cheeks. And then also bronze my forehead. So now on to highlight, I'm going to dip into Ofra Glazed Donut and I'm going to use the JH09 brush. This is the Glow Baby Glow brush. And I'm just going to pop this onto my cheekbones and cupid bow and bridge of my nose. I would normally use a bigger brush for doing my highlight because it is such a thin brush. But it's applying really nicely. So for blush, I'm just going to take a bit of this Pink Wink out of the Too Faced Natural Face Palette and I'm going to use the JH04 blush brush. So now that my base is done, I'm going to go onto my eyes and I'm actually going to use Ring the Alarm palette from her Vault collection. I have already done a look with some of these colours in the first Vault video that I released. It was one eye of the Raise the Alarm and the other one Bling Boss. But I am excited to use these colours again. So I'm just going to take the JH32 brush. This is the Transition Blending brush. And I'm just going to take a bit of this Mug Shot and apply it into my crease. I'm just going to take the JH31 Fluffy Blender and blend that out. Now I'm going to take Framed with the JH31 brush and blend that into my crease as well. Now I'm going to use the JH41 brush, this is the all over lid brush, and I'm just going to take a bit of this lolly shade here and apply it all over to my lid. Okay. So that didn't do anything, so I'm just going to spray my brush and hopefully that will work a little bit better. With the JH35 brush, I'm just going to go into this colour called Bombass and I'm just going to put it into the crease but focus on the outer part of my crease lid area. Now I'm going to focus on my lower lash line. I'm going to use the JH38 brush, this is a pencil brush. I'm just going to take a bit of the Framed to run it across my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take a bit of the Bombass on the same brush and just focus it on the outer corner of my lower lash. I'm going to take a bit more of the Ofra Glazed Donut highlighter and I'm going to use the JH39 inner corner highlighting brush. I'm just going to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. I'm just going to apply some eyeliner. This is the Wet n Wild Pro Line liquid eyeliner. Now I'm going to apply some mascara. This is the Benefit Big Girl Bang. So now that mascara's on, I'm going to go and do my other eye, so I'll be back in a minute. So that's both eyes done now. I've had a bit of Kat Von D Lovesick liquid lipstick on. It goes with the look so well. Okay, so the brushes. I love the face brushes. I would definitely buy the face brushes again. The eye brushes, they did take a while to blend in eyeshadow. I don't know if it's the eyeshadow or the brushes. I have softer eyeshadow brushes, like the Real Technique did, to blend in. So I wouldn't recommend getting every single thing, as this was £160. I would definitely get the face brushes again. Foundation brush was amazing. The powder brush, amazing. It's basically just the eye brushes. I mean, I did do a good job in the end, but it did take a while to actually blend out the product. Again, don't know if it's the brushes or the product, but I mean, it's up to you guys. I have done a full face, so they do work. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you liked the look that I created with these brushes. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification button on the side next to it, just to obviously be notified about any future videos that I do. Come and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram will be down here somewhere. And yeah, I hope you guys had a lovely time watching me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, bye guys.